Hello everyone, I just want to take a quick second because as I am editing my Christmas tree video for my Decorate With Me series for Christmas 2022, I came across this piece of the video that I'm going to share with you, and it's my story of why I love a Christmas tree so much. So let's take a look. I've told you guys many times before my favorite Christmas story, which is like when my mom pitched the Christmas tree. But I love telling that story. When I was a kid, we were fairly poor. We didn't go without, but we definitely were not wealthy. And my mom had 4 children. And so now as an adult, I appreciate, all the sacrifices that my parents did to raise us up. And so when I remember one Christmas, the only Christmas, my mom never put up a Christmas tree. And so the only Christmas that my mom put up a Christmas tree is one year. She was not having a good day, and I remember it was like a few days before Christmas. She was not having a good day, and so she stormed into the room where the Christmas tree was, a 3.5-foot Christmas tree. She had put it on top of a dresser, and it was one of those multicolor. Probably that's why I hate the multicolor lights to this day, because it was up on top of a dresser, a chest of drawers, and it looked magnificent. I was like 6 years old. And she grabbed that tree, yanked it from the wall, and marched herself to the trash bin outside and put it upside down. Well, the whole time I followed her, so I was traumatized. And so I remember thinking, one day I'm gonna have a beautiful Christmas tree. And look at me now. You just never know what life is gonna throw at you. Okay, so as I was editing that clip of the video for the Christmas tree, which is coming out very, very soon, I was reminded by a Bible verse in Jeremiah 29:11, which says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, to give you hope, and to give you a future." It really touched my heart because when I was a kid, I wanted a beautiful Christmas tree. And right now, I can tell you that I've had many beautiful Christmas trees, and I get to share them with you guys. So I want to encourage you that if you have a dream, to never give up on them, to just continue on to trusting God and to do good. Because if you trust God and if you do good, I promise you, I'm here to tell you, all of your dreams will come true. I'm so blessed to have every single one of you who watches these videos, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the end result of this beautiful Christmas tree coming out very soon. And all of the Christmas Decorate With Me series for my home tour this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just thought I'd share this with you, so I'm gonna get back to editing.